I am. I am, in fact, talking. Well, there we go. That is me talking to you. Howdy, howdy. Long time no see. God, I hate puppy managers here. I am freaking beyond help right now. Isn't there like a thing here? Oh, it's in streams. Alright, it is then. Because I am the world's dumbest developer and biggest clout chaser. I figured I'd frame it all. But, yeah. Alright, let's see if this shit will actually work, because I don't know if it will. This is that is this. All seems quiet on the Western Front. Let's actually try to get this working. I'm also probably gonna zoom out to my normal amount because I need to see shit. If anybody comes in, I will zoom into a more close amount. But let's see. So I get past tar. F. Wait a second. So let's go back to this beautiful thing. So the error message I'm dealing with is what exactly? Let's just run it again, posterity's sake, get this shit on camera. Fucking unhelpful. I'm just gonna type it out, because honestly, this is not worth it. Alright, so run, install master, Emitting object. I know it compiles. It's downloading. Probably can skip this part if I want to test efficiently, but I want to see go all the way through. What? Panic. Oh, that's not normal. That's new. Where the hell did that happen? Oh, because it's PAX. Okay, that's why. That's why. That's why. All right, so I've learned something. What happens when I fail? Yeah, that seems about right. Though, stack tracing, not sure that's something I'd like. Uh, I'll test that out later. I want to get it actually to work. I want to download it because I'm taking so long getting ZVM to actually do anything. It's almost embarrassing how little time I have spent making sure that this program that I very much want to get finished. It has the most stars I've ever gotten on anything. It's embarrassing how fucking little time I've done actually getting this right. So, we got blah bleep blah blah. XF old option G requires an argument. XF. So right now, I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm trying to get tar. I'm trying to get tar to take this path. I pass it. These two arguments. So I have tar, XF, and then this is the path to the directory. This is an absolute path. This is not a baby path. This is literally calling in from the user's home dir, getting the environment variable, getting their home directory, which I think works in everything. I'm really not testing for Windows. I just want to get it working on my system before I go back and do any of these discrepancies. But I'm testing for everything, and I am trying to get Zig to just execute tar because Zig is stored as a .xf xz, which is not as common as gz. XZ does make smaller blobs, which is important, but there's less libraries for it. And now there's zlib, but I don't want to integrate even more C into this program. I have curl already. I'm not happy about that, but apparently the only language in the universe that wrote its own, and I'm blaming Zig, by the way, because Zig is young, and I'm sure it'll get there eventually, but the only programming language I've ever used that doesn't link to C for HTTP requests, secure ones, TLS, is Go. Everything else uses C. Rust, even Rust LS, uses OpenSSL. Everything uses OpenSSL, or LibreSSL, if, I think that's the least secure one. Don't shoot me. I'm not an expert. All I know is that, okay. Option XF. Do I not need X? Is F not required? Am I dumb? Alright, installing, once again. Old option G requires an argument. What is the G? Tar, what is your error messaging? Tell me, because I'm not getting it. I'm having a hard time understanding where you're coming from, brother. What, do I only need 2? Is it 2? Dot dot. I need somebody who's good at tar, because I am not. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Tar, because usually what I do, because the command I'm trying to do is tar xf absolute path. It works. I know, because it works. It works just fine and dandy. I swear to God, it works. My problem is that tar is telling me to use G, but I've never used G. Let me see what G even does. Tar G. Because this is also POSIX tar. Is there not a G? There's not even a G. Oh my God. Chat, there's not even a fucking G. I'm hello, what am I working on? Hey, oh yeah, I can increase font size for you, now that people are here. So I'll move this, because I have a terminal on the other thing. It's not that important unless when I'm compiling stuff. So I'll post it in the chat, but I am working on a tool called ZVM. ZVM, oh, TwoStep. Thank you. Sorry about that. So ZVM is a version management for the programming language Zig. Have you heard of Zig? If you haven't, because I'll just say anyway, it's a low-level language that basically is meant to. Oh, yeah, I know Zig well. There you go. Well, yeah, ZVM, version manager. Right now. Oh, well then, thank you. Yeah, I will post the link to the, where is it? I also posted a project thing in the Zig Discord. That's where I'm posting status updates that aren't blatantly, like, releases, just because it's an easy way for people to come and see, like, what status updates are. But, yeah. So, just doing ZVM. Doesn't really do anything yet. I can install Zig, I can parse the JSON fine, basic stuff I know, but I'm learning Zig while I do this, so any victory is a victory, even little ones. I usually am more familiar with like Go and higher level languages. Nothing disgusting like JavaScript. No, I do like JavaScript, but I'm trying to get more into low level programming. I'm familiar with Rust, so I'm coming from there, kind of, but obviously Zig and Rust, design-wise, not super similar. So I'm just learning with everybody in the Discord, trying to make it work, and stuck on executing tar. So you'll see right here in this beautiful line 90, and I will continue to post my changes to the GitHub on master. Don't download. I mean, like, you can download ZVM and play around with it. The instructions are in the README. But master is never guaranteed to work. If I'm going to post a version that'll work, it'll be a signed release. I'll have that set up. Like Semvar, those will be guaranteed to work. I'll never post anything that doesn't work there. And if I do, then I'm bad on me, slap on my wrist. But, yeah. So, if you want to join along, feel free to download the repository. All you need is libcurl installed on your system. I'm developing an OpenSUSE Tumbleweed. Obviously, it works on Ubuntu, anything where you can get libcurl. I'm using the GNU utilities variation, but I don't think it'll matter if you switch to any of the other kind of common packages. I think that's fine. I also have horrible commit messages, so don't expect my Git to be super clean. I am not Mr. 10x here. I am Mr. 1.5x on a good day. Any cool project? Wonder if you forgot a null terminator in args. No, I actually had help from Ink in the Discord about that. So args is right here on line 87. Oh shit, my bad. I have the browser up. Yeah, I haven't streamed in a while. I'm a little rusty with it, so let me zoom in a little bit here for you. It's been a while. So args is right here, line 87. This is the only thing that matters. Everything from Uh, 84 down to 94. This block right here is the only block that has any impact on the subsection I'm working on. Everything else above this has been tested. It works. The file is installed, is downloading. The absolute path is correct. 84 through 94 is my migraine right now. And thank you, by the way. Thank you for the project. Also, if I'm not looking and talking to you, it's because my monitor with all my Twitch stuff is on my left. My camera's on my right. I haven't practiced enough to get both of them going the right way. I don't have that mind. So if I look like I'm not paying attention, I am. I got a lot of cobwebs. So it's hard for me to kind of multitask in that way. Out, put null after out, out star star star, is that? Arg process to be null terminated, but it doesn't seem to be. The final arg is a null. Oh, I thought the null terminated was because of that, like it would just implicitly edit, but file archive. File archive. So I'll add the null to the end of this, and then here in args you want dot x Finn. Okay, by the way, that's my cat. My cat is Finn. He's a beautiful little tabby, and he just bit me on the leg because my girlfriend was over tonight, and so he likes it. He likes her, but he likes her at a distance, so he sleeps upstairs. So he's feeling a little needier now. Which you come up here if you want, bud. All right, so let's do this. File archive. Oh, file equals archive. All right. Hey, I'm Trevor. Some Discord. Hey, yeah. If you guys want to post your Discords, by the way, in the chat, feel free. Obviously, I'm Adalock everywhere. I'm Adalock on Twitter too. I do Zig Magazine, mag.zig.online. I used to be a journalist. I am a shit writer now. I'm not that bad, but I have done it a little bit. So, feel free to check that out too. I'm doing a lot of tutorial stuff. Most of the stuff I'm sure you guys is way below your pay grade. You know more than me. I guarantee that. But I am interviewing the main guy who wrote ZLS tomorrow. I'll have an article and interview for ZLS and Zig Tools sometime in the next 2 weeks. I'm trying to make it a little bit more community focused. Ink. This is the code that you told me to put in here. This is a copy paste. So any bad syntax, that goes on you. But yeah. So I can remove this null here. I see what you mean. So the null is not required because it's implicit at the end. Okay, so file equals this. Let us see if my life will be joyous or a nightmare. Admitting object, installing master. I'm gonna fucking lose my mind. Old option G requires an argument. Except there is no G. I mean here. Let's see if this works, because I'm dumb and I'm still learning basics for let's do this. I think this will work. I don't see what this will do. Oh my god. Okay, we get it. You need your null. Oh, jeez. Good lord. Alright. Yeah. Everything that gets passed makes sense. It's file and then the absolute path to the executable, so the archive. Hey, good to see you guys. Yeah, August is awesome. He's a really cool guy so far. I'm going to ask him a lot of annoying questions, so I hope he doesn't hate me after it. What do you think the issue is? Also, not to plug, but if you guys want to see more Zig streams, feel free to follow. I'm loving the language. I'm loving making content for it. This is the first time I've felt really motivated to do this kind of shit for a while, so be a lot of Zig coming up, and probably some Rust, and probably some Go, because I can't stay on topic, and I'm better at those languages. File. So, intuitively may seem expecting that is one argument. That is single string. Ew! Oh! Oh shit! Oh shit! Dude! Yes! Oh my god! What the fuck would I do up here? Oh, alloc. Alloc currency. Gotcha. Standard format. Okay, we'll switch it back to. We'll switch it. Do this one first because you probably know better than me about. Can I just do this then? Like this? Yeah. Okay. And I'll just do regular Alec pair because you didn't put the Z at the end. All right, boys. My super long thing. Let's see how this goes. Do I have to do a pointer? I have to do a pointer, don't I? That's alright. Alec put Z2, okay. I'm still gonna use it. Oh, compiling. Okay, what the hell is this? Master home CVM file. Specific. Delete Tesla. I'm gonna do XF again. Because it looks like it's getting better. Let's just try it with, because I know XF works. Acid trucks delete test label options. Finn. What the ACD trucks delete or test label options. What the hell does that mean? I have never heard of acid trucks delete or test label. Let's just zoom out one because I need to be able to see. So we've got. Ow! Ow! Bud! Really? Oh, okay, we got our nullified. Null terminated slice. XF. Well, the path makes sense. The path is there because the path is. Yeah, the command came out perfect. I'm gonna have to delete or test the options. Oh, jeez. Ink's out of something. Alright. Going to commit this in the background because I live dangerously. As an XF. Maybe remove the dash? Oh, okay. Better than what I'm doing. Okay, download obviously works. No, same issue. I wish I think my problem with specifically exec VPEZ is that its design is completely different than just regular exec CVE. It's it only returns the exact CVE error, unlike the other one, which has a helper function, which I think. Well, no, I guess it is the same. It's just different implementation of the exact same thing. So that's not where it is, because the other function has its own like check inside with a helper function that returns success, and another one so they're always unreachable because the spec does not allow anything other than an undefined error meaning success, which I think is the dumbest thing ever. I mean, it's not Zig's fault. That's just the spec for the system call, but it's some things. Some things make me mad. It's like how what's the HTTP header that has a misspelling in it, and it's because some guy just typed it up, didn't check, and then now it's ingrained in the spec for the past 50 some years since ARPA. Maybe easy to run the command manually. Yeah, that's what I'm kind of getting towards TwoStep. I initially made a ZVM that worked with Go because te- test architecture, and that's what I had to end up settling on because there's no library that does XZ except for I think libz. Except libz, I'm not even sure about that. Everybody does like standard zip, and everybody does gzip, but XZ is such a I don't want to say it's like such a abstract or whatever the word I'm looking for, like such a mm, underutilized compression algorithm because it's better than GZ. It can make smaller bundles. It's just nobody nobody else uses this. Sig is the first time I've heard of XZ, and I'm so angry about it. So XVF, okay, XVF, good idea. All right, so we'll put the flag back on XVF. Let's see what happens here. Make sure I don't have any like. What the fuck is eyesore? Why do I don't even do Python. Seriously? Sorry. I got distracted again. I don't even I did it once. And I thought I was cool and now I'm angry. Let's go back and try this. Once again, installing it from the server. Easy peasy. Could you try adding the Z flag? These Jesus X. Oh yeah, okay. Let's try it. Yeah, let's just do this. Because what I don't understand is the G. Where did that G come from? Because it's not in POSIX tar, and my current target is Linux. I can imagine. Ugh, I hate having to work with GNU. Not because it's like, just because it's so like their way, and I've come into at such a point in like the software development lifestyle that is unfamiliar to me. There's this language called Hair, made by Dustin. I don't know some he made Source Hut, and the guy literally he's such a stickler for like GNU. He does everything the GNU. He uses he uses not make. He uses whatever the tool is that lets you look at documents, like look at the docs, off the top of my head. But he uses that. He makes you go through and install the documents through that. So you have to read them through the command line. The guy's a genius, but he's such a stickler for like he thinks the GNU way was the right way to do everything, and I just don't think it's practical in today's world to make everything like that. Sorry, 1 second. Make sure I'm in a girlfriend of that takes a good night. You know I'm old because I'm excited about going to Drug Mart and getting cherry Pepsi this weekend. Add some Liquid Death because that's good ass water. just seems like, oh, you know what could be an idea? Genius stuff is that a lot of it is maintained by leaders who say, RTFM but TFM. What does RTFM mean? Is that a Rich Stallman thing? Probably not. Okay. Big freaking idea, guys. Biggest brain. Since now, our boy, our Lord and Savior, Mr. Zig Up, is MIT Zero as of this week. My number one competitor, the bane of my existence. Which honestly, I don't care. I'm glad that somebody else actually did this, and did it well. But apparently, it works. So my question is, what the fuck is this? This is not Zig Up. This is not Zig. This is not the Zig Up I was told about. Somebody else put it in here, I think, right? ZVM. Everybody, when I first published this, everybody came in my chat and it was like, yo, why not use, like, Webpack or something, like a ASDF? And I'm like, yeah, that's great, but the point is to do it in Zig, 100%. So let's see. Zig Up. There we go. Alright. The guy has a license now, which means I can look at and take his code with credit. Is it just one file? This man is a psychopath. Oh my god. Alright. Just search for tar. Oh, that's not what I expected. Alright. Let's zoom in here for you boys. Look at this. I am... Zig Up is Marler. Fucking manual. Oh, read the fucking manual. Never improve the fucking manual. Yes. Yes. Ink, you are dead on. 100%. Read the fucking manual, but never improve the fucking manual. It's like we get it. We're on the command line, but you ever thought of making like a TUI or something? A TUI? That's why I like newer Linux distributions. Like I use Debian for most of my development stuff, especially in my websites because it's so reliable. But I do love SUSE. SUSE is just Zipper and their docs and everything like that. Having it all be tied in with like just a web page. And they're the only operating system I've used, or flavor operating system can be touchy, that actually has good documentation. Windows docs are the worst. I can't stand them because I can't do anything with them. Okay. Zig Up is by Marler. Is Marler in the Discord? Because I would love to just be like, at Marler, please, brother. Marler, please, sweet, please, King Zig Up, please. How do you unzip tar.exe files in Zig? Just drop that hot tamale in the ZVM projects channel. Okay, the fucking man, perfect. Look at the Taraman page. There is some ambiguous shit here. Yeah, I read that it's not even meant to be like. It was meant to be depreciated for packs. Like a lot of distros come with packs installed, but it just never got replaced. I can imagine. Oh, built-in OS tag Windows zip else tar.exe. Okay, we're somewhere. Also, this is kind of a completely different way of getting... I didn't know about built-in until well before. Well after I built my implementation. I was just going to show you what I did real quick, because it's dumb as hell, and I love it. I absolutely love it. Is it down here? Yeah, I did. Yeah. So I imported... Where is it at? That's my own instructor, mine. I imported native target info, and I used that, and then I made the world's biggest Switch statement to comp it out, even though I know just because I had no idea Belton was there, which it worked. It's great. I love it, but it's just that was like 40 minutes of my day I'll never get back. Love to see it, and I only have like Arch compared for this. I kind of do the inline else I saw on Zignews the other day because I didn't know that existed either. But that's future Tristan's problem. Current Tristan is trying this. Okay, I think C dot dot. All right, where did I put? Okay, dot xz. So it's multiple arguments. Gotcha. So I'll do XE file path. Okay. Oh. All right. Let's see how this goes. Oh, bro. Well, the news isn't much better. It's the exact same error as before. It's just XXZ must be one of the acid trucks, delete or test level options, and then the help. Same with running it outside the build commands. Everything is XZ. It's like the first argument. What if I just did... Okay. I don't know if this would work, but I saw something. It's probably like a shot in the dark. If I just add like the... No, it's just the XZ, because this got passed fine. This did not get passed fine. Oh, okay, let's do it. And I'll do this too. Why is tar so horrendous? Do I want to wrap this in like quotes or something? Tar, oh, just tar XF. Okay. Tar XF, and then we'll just do this. Okay. Option G requires an argument. I'm gonna get a towel and drop it over my mouth and pour this water on it. I'm excited to see. I would love. It just seems so like ridiculous. Tar version, I'll show you. .34. So it's tar probably needs EMVP to be popular because it's an old ass program. Oh, okay, yeah, that could work. You said I know you said yesterday that there's like a default array, isn't it? Like just spitball here, isn't it? Standard OS for process env map get env map. Oh, get env map get env map. Two. Because I had no idea it exists. CESS ENV. I am learning everything today. So standard. Okay, let's CE. What? Yeah. I just learned there were like two different ways to get environment variables the other day with standard OS and then process. It's like a wide berth. Just. Ugh. Because I need it to be the same kind of nullable thing. What if I just put bullshit in there? Like. Mode goes sicko. What if you just booled like this and just saw if that worked? Because it doesn't need any environment variables. It just wants them. It's taking really long. Old option G. I'm gonna old option G myself. Oh my goodness. That didn't work. Do I even need this null in here? I mean, it already ends with null, so I probably don't even need that. Okay. No, you don't. Okay, I'll move that null then. Standard OS environment. So. Oh, okay. You're no, same thing. Not entirely sure how to type this over. Do I? Okay, well, that's gonna work. Again, here I am. Ink, I need help. Oh. I wish there were like compiler macros that could just say, "Hey, I know what you're trying to do. I'll do it for you. You don't have to do this yourself. You'll know what you want." Oh, now I'm starting looking shit up. Okay, one ray with another zig. Just so confused. Ooh. Oh. The Hyrix. Sorry, I just went to the Discord. Hey. Thank you for the update. I did not. I'll soon as you see the chance, I'll do that. Once again, Zig's community is the best community. I stand by that. Oh, Jesus Louise. I hope you know I credit you in all of the commits where I if you look at my commit record on GitHub, you'll see that like at least 6 of them have like "Thank you, Inc." or some other shit in there. So you're getting credit in this. You may not be listed officially as a contributor, but I consider you one in spirit. What happened? Why am I getting bad noises? What the fuck is this? R. Point. Star. Triple. Put. Okay. I could do nullable const UA pointer cast. Okay, start over with Byron length. Not sure what the R is. Yeah. Do this. Looks like it'll compile. Oh, this is R once again. That should be got 0 in the R. Yeah, so you guys have been using this triple stars to represent like the part of the path that's not worth typing out. So yeah, I'm getting, because every time I get this, you've done it and TwoStep's done it, where it's star TE and V map. I thought it was just you guys trying to cut on the gist of standard dot blink dot blah blah blah, but okay, value what? That's so weird. You want to sit in Discord real quick? Trisha Sensory. What slurs are you throwing, Ink? I swear to God. Just throw it in the ZVM project channel. That'll, I can turn that off, I think. I don't know how, but I know I can turn off, like, censorship. Safety. Where's safety? I don't give a shit about safety. I'm a programmer. I don't need you to do this for me. Buckos. Content. Settings. Moderation. Block terms and phrases. A little moderation. Why is this filtering? Less filtering. Sexuality, sex, gender. Misogyny. No filtering. Sorry, I'm just a 10-year-old boy. Swearing. No filtering. No filtering on swearing. No filter. I have basically no filtering. So unless you're saying a racial slur or a sexual slur or something aggression. Oh, aggression? I'm going to turn no filtering off for that. I don't care if you swear at me for that. Yeah, I should have nothing on here. So maybe that'll fix it. It's just censoring. Not to say the point that I'm not all for having as many people visit my channel as possible, but I think we're a well-behaved enough group of adults that we don't need a robot to tell us what we can do. I think if there was a problem, I'd handle it. And if we got to the point where I would need auto mod, well then, you got bigger issues with the Zig community. Try allocator dupe Z pointer cast const U8. Yeah, that's so weird. I don't know why it would censor that. That's not even anything possibly related to anything offensive. I mean, yeah, there's nothing. Pointer, does it do syllablic? They don't allow slurs to end in environment, pointer. I don't know. I don't know how Twitch's bot works. You can't really censor anything through like text analysis anyway, because somebody will always think of a new way around it. Where you'll have like thinks it's a fishy link. Ooh, that could be it. Yeah. Ooh, that could certainly be it. Okay. What happened? Why is my right? Oh, it's like this. 0 ... Where's my error at? Oh, because I didn't have a delimiter. That's okay. Okay. That's like that. That's like that. Close this down. Dupe Z. 2 arguments. Oh, I need the type still in there. That's okay. What was the first type? Trying to copy it. Okay, copy that. But okay, 2 types. Why are you mad at me, Zig? Expression. Kidding me? What the? Are you shitting me? Are you guys serious? Come on, I got this going on here. Okay. One more level of zooming out. This is the world's longest line of code. I just want us to. Do you want us to do the nullable string? Yeah, because you want it to be like this. Pointer cast this. Dupe Z. Do it transfer to this expects. Okay. I don't think this will work because I'll just do the pointer casting again, right? Yeah. Pointer cast. Okay. Dupe ZT, no cons, but I won't do cons because cons doesn't matter. Takes this type U8. I am confused. Do I just... TwoStep, you don't want to get into the Discord channel to send any kind of code snippet just because Twitch thinks you're saying horribly offensive language to me. I get ****, child... Oh, child... Fuck! Oh my god, I forgot about child process. I completely forgot about child process. I forgot that was a thing. You know what? You reminded me. I saw it a few nights ago. Alright, let's just try doing child process, right? Because this is obviously not working. Standard OS child. Nope. Standard process child. Standard child process exec. Oh, okay. This will be fun. Okay, allocator, alloc, argv. Const of a const. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. Oh. Okay, never mind. Ink says no. We're not doing it. I just saw that. That was like, oh my god, that made me laugh. Okay, standard child process, init, argv. Alright, boys. Okay, so should it not just be? Well, obviously it's gonna be that's the other thing. I like. Okay, I like Zig, and I do. I should say, because I'm writing it. I've been spending my nights writing it, but sometimes the doubling up of slice types is a little bit hard to read, and I'm going to have to write some kind of like meta package for myself that like wraps it like const slice or something, just to wrap shit up. Because seeing this and then this, it's like, okay, I get it. It's a const slice of a const slice of a U8. Wonderful. So it's a const slice of a immutable string. Like, I know, like I yelled at a few weeks ago because I said Zig needs a default string type. It doesn't. I've changed my mind, but it would be really nice if it had like just an alias, like a built-in alias string. Because I'm gonna fuck it. I'm a big man. I'm an adult here. It's my program. I don't have to follow the rules. I'm a rebel. I don't have to do shit I don't want to do. Hell yeah. Okay. How I view this? No termination. Okay, so brain hurting. I know how to do it. I just, once again, I said I am not a 12x developer. So we'll just do. Also, just wait a second. So, does that include the program name? So I would do. Sorry. Okay, don't have a stroke, Mr. Keyboard. I'm just trying to make a nice little light here. So it'd be what? Obviously I am. Is it const string? That's gonna be what? I should probably do this. Tar. I know I'm doing it wrong. I know I have my array wrong somehow. I'm learning so much from this. Like, it's like, that's the best part, I think, of just doing these streams and like you guys helping me out, is that I'm learning so much. I hope you guys are learning something too. I'm pointers to array literals that coerce into slices. No slice literals, only pointers to array literals that coerce into slices. No array slice literals. Pointers to array literals that coerce into. Got it. Okay, that actually kind of makes sense. Cool. And we'll do out path here because it is fine, and I don't think the 0 at the end will matter. I hope. And what does this do? This will return child process. Tar. RV, Corking Dirk, that. Sentinel termination is a type level thing. You never have to explicitly write the sentinel into a literal. Only have to do that if you manually query for one pointer type 2 now. Okay. So, first bit, just for types. Second bit, more about the type. I think what confuses me is that you see like slice const a lot across the board, and it's just because it's something you have to get used to. Like, and you look at every other remotely popular language, and they've got bullshit types in there that just mask over other stuff. Even Rust has string, which is a heap. This is just like it represents the heap, and they have str, which represents like pure slices. But or Go, where everything is bytes, and it's all the same. And ruins are just Unicode characters. They're U16s, and like that delimitation exists for idiots like me, who don't have the brain power to break it up. But I think I just need some practice with it, because I see what you're saying, and yes, that is, you 100% obviously you're correct, but that clicks with me. You just gotta warm up with it a little bit. Okay. Switch to any here because I'm hilarious. Is there? What are some methods on his? Because I don't actually know what I can keep an eye on. Handle. What the fuck? I don't want to do this. I don't care. I'm just gonna see if it exists. I don't even give a shit what it says here now. Like, I can figure out the file like behind a second. I just want to see if it compiles. If we can get past the tar G error, then I'll do anything. Just get past tar G. Just get past. Don't know what I'm doing. I should have been smarter. Yeah, that probably makes sense. Okay, sorry, I'm trying to process submit. Let me go to let's just check this baddie out. Standard child process, go to definition. Struct handle. Okay. I'm gonna copy yours, and we're gonna do it your way, because I'm in the dark here. Get over there. Also, by the way, I'm on 10.0. I'm not on master, so anything that's master specific, not gonna work with me very well. Why is this? Where are you here? Are you? Okay, we're back in business. What did I do? Oh, because this doesn't need to be here. Oh shit. Okay, cool. I actually even look at the code. Allocator. So my question here is, so obviously alloc. Allocator. env map, argv, doesn't exist. So that has to be my little thing that Ink showed me. Tar, XF, path. Oh, okay. Okay. You call spawn method and it needs to be var. Alright, I'm gonna try his method real quick, just because I saw it first. Then, if that doesn't work, we can try your method, because I'll do both. What? It should be var. Gotcha. Var is cool. Oh, because that already exists. Tar. Cool. I need to make better names. I kind of wrote this expecting nothing to come of it, and then I got 14 stars, and I thought, oh, well, some people will actually like this, and I have to learn Zig anyway. But install is the worst part of my program. I already have, like, the mindset for, oh, fuck. Is the commercial done? Yeah. Cool. Alright. Why do I have 10,000? What the fuck is this? Oh! Ow! What the fuck did I do? Did I just unzip Zig in my repo? Not cash money of me! Oh shit! What? Wait, why do I have CLI here? CLI should be gone too. What version of Zig am I in? I'm in the right version, right? Yeah, I'm good. What the hell was that? That was the weirdest shit ever. Okay. It worked? I think it worked, boy. I mean, it obviously worked, but okay, so. I thought it. Now I have to figure out how to set the out path. Isn't that just the O flag for, that's just the O flag, I'm pretty sure, right? Out path. Cool. I am going to definitely save the child spawn thing you sent me, though, because that sounds fantastic. This is amazing. I wish I could just download this chat, because I've learned so much. Okay, cool. Yeah, I think it's just out, right? Let me just Google that real quick. I'm pretty sure just O, but I just want to know. Oh, it's C. Well, cool. Cool. Out path. Okay, well that's out path. Now, what did I do? Okay, out path, and then I'll do install path too. Just I'll copy this, and then tar path. Because I love naming. I love just naming everything. I'm such a biggest brain boy. That. Get the hell out of here. Don't need you. I don't want you. Bop, beep, bop, bop. Buff slice. I'm gonna. Okay, another thing. I'm gonna dunk on August. I'm gonna completely drag him. Cause wait, shit, no, what I'm doing? Cause like, oh wait, it works now. Oh shit. Nope, never mind. There we go. That's why. Because it doesn't work. Because that doesn't work, and it's my favorite thing to do in VS Code, and I am hurt. And I'm going to tear him apart. Horrible article. Destroy his career. Everything. Obviously, I'm kidding, but use argv.ab. Did you know you could do argv.equals? I did not know that. I did not know that at all. So much. Really? Does it just infer what I'm trying to do with that? Or a directory dir, rather than choose control, whatever your keybind is. No, it doesn't infer. My keybind is F2. I was using that there. So usually I do it, watch. Control D. Holy shit. I didn't know you could do. I got literal chills. Can you guys see my arm? That's the level of nerd I've been like, I have chills. That blew my mind. That honest to God blew my mind. Not just the coercion. I'm talking about Control D. Oh my God. I can't believe that wow, my man. Okay, and then we'll do what you said, TwoStep. We'll do directory equals let's just try it with mine because Zig verse slice sounds a lot more fun than this. Okay, let's see. Well, I learned something else. Zig's got so many fun little things. Alright. Before we get this going, git add. Show employees. Alright, that's that. What the fuck what am I doing? I got rid of this. I'm ignoring that. It's just not gonna matter in a second. Doesn't exist. Okay. Does shit. Buff slice. Shit. Okay. I feel entire path. Oh, that's probably why. I don't know what I did to deserve this pain. Before I delete my repository, and well, it's just a matter of pointing to a tuple coerce to a slice. That's how it is. The compiler. The function is literally named something like coerce tuple pointer to slice in semazig. Okay, tuple. So an anonymous struct. I'm learning the types as ones they do. Is an anonymous struct similar to a tuple? I'm gonna look it up right now. Tuple. Oh, oh, okay. An Amish set without field names or for his tuples. Oh, well, that's awesome. Okay, that's awesome. That's a great thing to learn. I'm very happy with that. Dude. That does not work. Can I fetch recursively or pull recursively or something? Do I have to delete and then redo this again? Because I linked to the clap. I don't know how I use clap. Clap is honestly not even that good. It's yeah, submodules. Yeah, I have a submodule. I use clap for my command line stuff just because when I started this, it was a bit of a pain in the ass to parse them myself, and I do. It's not like I don't. I literally iterate through testing like I do with everything. I do it on my other programs, but just for the flags and the nice message and everything, it was simple. It's not simple right now. Like, and it's here. It's literally here. Do I even? Oh, I'm a dummy. Oh shit, I'm dumb. I'm like big time dumb. I'd even. Well, that makes sense why nobody wants to use it. Well, luckily I did. This had nothing important in it. CLI I don't think was used anywhere. CLI dot. Ew. All right, so that's my bad. I may have deleted stuff that I shouldn't have deleted, and I don't remember what I did. Do it. Oh God. Okay. Going back to ZVM. Source. I'm big time stupid. Been new. Hate life. Once again, the pain of what I've done is deleting CLI, but luckily for me, not a big deal because I only had one function in there, and it's pretty simple. It's pretty nice. CLI file CLI.zig. That's back in business. Oh shit. Yes. Okay, let's see if my entire directory blows up again. Oh, what? Oh, am I big dumb? I might be big dumb. So I did. Where did I change it at? What did I do? What did I do? Diverse slice. Well, that's like that. It's always gonna be like that. Untar path. Directory. Outpath. XF outpath. Because outpath is good. XF is outpath. Directory. Just do capital C because. You're maddening forever. You destroy that as much important. That is literally my entire fucking thing. That's my entire bit. I hope you know that. I love it. That's the funniest shit. I should hopefully delete in 30 seconds. Okay, cool. Oh. Tune into Adaloc's live stream to see a man literally lose his fucking mind. Standard tar. Can I open message file alert? What am I doing? Am I? What am I? Why is this like this? Because untar path is. I'm doing out path. Let's just try. Let's do like try. Okay. Make path. Search for make path. What does that mean? The tardy G. Oh, did I delete? No, I didn't. It shouldn't be because every time I run the program, it installs it. Here, I'll show you. Every time I do that, it installs it. Zigmaster 8664-linux at tar.exe. And home Tristan.zvm Zigmaster x86-64-linux. Now, so it's looking at the tar.exe file, but as you can see, out path is tar.exe, untar path is just the same without the tar.exe. I don't want to. It's obviously going to be a folder. I don't want the tar extension, and it compiles. So I'm using an arena allocator. Yes, I am. Tell me if my memory's good, because I'm using arena allocator with CL because I just use the same allocator I use for the curl stuff. Then obviously I defer it, and then the allocators from the arena state and the response buffer was just something I used for clap, and then I de-init that. Everything else is good, right? Or am I literally getting myself beat up here because I'm skipping so many de-inits? Like, I hope I don't have a ton of memory leaks. This is the first time I've had to actually manage my own memory, so yeah, that's all chill. But if you ever change the allocator, there's a lot of reorganizing is all. Except for future you, yeah. I don't plan to change the allocator. I was reading an article, I forget where, talking about what was better, using one allocator for everything or having multiple allocators, and it was kind of like, you pick your poisons. Multiple allocators are kind of slow in the beginning, but it's easier to manage more complex programs. One allocator is better, but yada yada yada. Since this is the first project I have ever done in Zig that I intend to finish, I'm gonna just stick with this. But the update function and the actual functionality to manage switching versions and all that jazz, that will all be done in a much smarter way, hopefully. Yes. I'm working on trying and making a good fast allocator for Zig. It's rough. So tell me a little bit about that. I don't know what goes into making an allocator. Like, I didn't even know what allocators were until I started with Zig. So, what goes into making a custom allocator? It exists. Good point. Okay, untar path. So we'll just do. Let's do both because I have one as well. What's going on? Tar path and then out path. Oh. Yeah. both paths are there. Tar, kind of open file. Am I using the right stuff? Am I just being dumb? So it has to be with the directory. Am I using C? Why is it not just O? Why does everything GNU makes literally most rich like GNU? Wait, actually, no, do I have to make the? No, that's stupid. I wouldn't have to make the file for the write to it. What? Let's just see something. Tar. That's VM. Let's see. Sheesh. What am I doing? What? Tar help it. What? Oh, yeah, sorry. XF, of course. XF. So it's. I'm getting a normal error. I'm just getting a dumb error. Customize. Extract specific directory tar. What's the flag? It's C. It's directory. Tar XF? Yeah, it's just C. It should be just C. Why is this not working for me? Even this isn't working. What if I made a dirt? What if I did... Okay, so I have to make the directory. Okay, cool. Kind of dumb that's how it works, but that's tar for you. I'm just gonna pass that through system command. Okay, so let me catch up on what you guys are talking about. The interface is the easy part. The hard part is really just organizing memory in a way that is efficient for a ton of different allocation patterns. So for now, I'm just copying what RP malloc is doing, and we out from there. Okay. So the error message. Somebody's fucky there. Remove the equal sign. The pass should be just that. It's a shell thing. Yeah, no. Untar path and all these. Both of these are absolute paths. I don't have any relatives paths. Here. Yeah, okay, that's what I was. That's yeah, good point. Because I was actually looking for that. Thank you. Is this an error? I don't need to do try. Fuck try. I mean, I do have to do try because it might have any kind of error, but let's do that. All right, and you're gonna have to wait because I have to go use the restroom. But I won't put you guys on a commercial. I'll just be Ah. All right. Uh. Okay, Ink. Have a great night. Thank you for coming by and helping me out so much. Thank you for following. Same with you with TwoStep. Thank you both for following. I really appreciate it. You guys are dope. I am probably I'm gonna run this command, and if this works, then I'm gonna go to bed too because it is midnight. Well, it's almost 1 o'clock, and I have work in the morning, and I have to write PHP. Yeah, I know. Bop, boop, beep, bop, bop. Okay, let's zoom in on this goody good. Shit, my bad. Probably shouldn't have done that, but that's fine. Let's tie this. Bop, boop, beep, bop, bop. Song master. Oh, okay. There's an equals thing here. Where was that? Where's that? That. Go here. What? It's right here. What are you talking about? What are you talking about, Ziggy? Ziggo? What's going on, Zig? It's right there. What the? Sorry, I gotta zoom back out. It's impossible. It's right there. What are you talking about? Oh, it's just an old error. Never mind. Path already exists. Oh. I've done this before. I've dealt with this before. I actually did it up here, I think. I was so, like, what? It exists. Yeah, Relative absolute. It's not that one. Oh, it's literally right here. Get out of here. Try. Nobody wants to see you try. Catch error, such error path already exists. Do not care. Bop beep bop. I'm tired. Okay. I know it exists. just for my sanity. I almost did that. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Just for my fucking brain. Okay, and then let's do the kill first. Kind of fucking him up there, yep. Tar fucking thank you, ink. Hello, Evil Curry, how's it going? Welcome back. Yep. This another path already exists. It's just there. It was just there for my sanity. Because I could just always do what try. I could just do it and then catch it and like do obviously like something like this equals, and that would have been fine. That would have just taken it. But I wanted this here just to like let people know it's installing. Also for my own sanity, but it works. Thank you, TwoStep. I put your name in the credits. Same with Ink. I could not have done it without both of you. You both literally made this possible. I would have been spending hours on it. Ibukuri, welcome to the chat. He came and then he vanished. R.I.P. Brother down. But, thank you, boys. It means everything to me. My thanks for streaming. Yeah, of course. Full camera's that. Yeah, no, the plan is to stream more. You guys obviously know. Follow me here. I'll announce in the ZVM Discord and ZVM channel when I'm doing specifically ZVM stuff. When I am doing stuff that isn't ZVM related, I'll post it. Okay, you try ZVM out. The link is in there. Also, letting you know, you need tar installed on your system. It needs to be on your path, because, God forbid they made any good encryption libraries, decompression libraries that do .exe files. But yeah, so tar on your path, libcurl, devel, installed, system wide. If you're on Windows, I've tested nothing on Windows, so if it doesn't work, I'm sorry. If you're on Linux, it should work. And it does not manage anything. It just installs and unstars Zig so far. But everything you need to know is in the README. Please give it a star. If you're in the Zig Discord, I'll Travis, I love you. You freaking genius. I'm also going to send Inca friend request, because without you guys, it literally not been possible. Yeah, so I'm just going to chat and then we can. But yeah, I will, I must stream tomorrow. I might. I have an interview with August, the guy who made ZLS, tomorrow night at 7 p.m. I've got a list of questions that I'm going to try and tag him with. A lot of stuff about Zig tools, a lot of stuff about just ZLS in general and him as a developer. I want to know more about his story, not just that of ZLS. I also got the stream a bit late. Hopefully, I'll get the next one a bit earlier. Yeah. I will try and stream tomorrow night. No guarantees. I will announce it if you're in the Zig Discord. I don't know if I can invite you because I'm not an admin of it, but yeah, in the Zig Discord, which is on the Zigling website, I will announce it in the ZVM Projects channel, and by the way, if not tomorrow, probably Wednesday night. Then again, I'm iffy. My schedule's convoluted. I might do a Tuesday at 10 o'clock again, just because that's like a guaranteed free time. I'm also on Twitter. I'll put my thing in here. I'm Adalock everywhere, so just find me anywhere. Adalock on Twitter will always tweet out like stuff on that, and Zig Magazine too, mag.zig.com, mag.zig.online. So anything, I'll announce it. It'll be out there. I hope to see ya, and consider following me just for the update on Twitch. It would mean a lot. Okay. Well, that being said and done, I am probably going to peace out for the night. Message me on Discord your thoughts on ZVM, though. Seriously, I'd love to hear it, or tweet me, or, I don't know, harass me in any way you can find me online. I really love the feedback, so just let me know. Okay? Well, good night. Thank you again for all tuning in.